guys, my wonderful family. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Miley. Okay, I decided I wanted to change line of business. I wanted to go into food because of the economy. Even if the economy is bad, people must eat. So I said, I'm going to change my line of business and go into food. So I said, let me just recreate before going to pay somebody to learn. And this is me. I went to HMDs to shop some things I will use for a try. Since pop is something that is not hard now. That was what I felt. So I sieved it to bring out the chaff and all that. Meanwhile, I wanted to do 1 cup. But the videos I've been watching, most of them were doing 3 cups. So I had to sieve 3 cups and added all my ingredients, my yeast, my salt, nutmeg, milk, sugar, and every other thing that was needed. Anyway, there was nothing. So I was supposed to add 1.5 cup of water from the measurement I saw. But behind the scene, I felt it was too thick. So I went to add 1/2 cup of water. I guess that made my batter very watery. So I was mixing it. I noticed it was not that smooth. Anyway, there's always the first time for everything. So I noticed it was not that smooth. I was still mixing it to see how it will come out. So I tried my best anyway. Yeah, so when I just say, let me cover it and put it maybe in the oven and wait for like 30 to 40 minutes, of which I did. And when I did, I was happy when I brought it out. The outcome, I brought it and I noticed it was actually rising, because they say if you're not careful, most times when you do puff-puff, it will not rise. So this is it. It actually rise, and I wanted to do that first try they used to do to see how it's looking. That was when I knew that, man, that extra water made it watery. So I had to put my oil on the fire for it to get hot, not too hot, and I started frying it. Can you see how it's looking? It was not looking like bones. Yes, this is the first one I did. It was not smooth. I don't know what went wrong. What do you think went wrong with my puff? Please just comment below and tell me what next I should do. Thank you for always watching my video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I love you guys. Thank you. This is the fluffy puff I came out with. The inside was actually okay.